In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TEXTJOIN in Google Sheets. TEXTJOIN is a powerful function that lets you combine text from multiple cells into a single cell with a character of your choice separating each piece. It's perfect for building clean lists, creating labels, or stitching together names, cities, and other text without manual typing. First, decide on your delimiter, the character that will separate each item. Common choices are a comma, followed by a space, a single space, a dash, or even a line break. In a formula, you'll place this delimiter in quotes. For example, a comma and a space looks like right, and a single space looks like. Choosing a clear delimiter makes your final result readable. If you plan to use a comma, remember that adding a space after it, like instead of just, usually looks cleaner. Next, choose how you want to handle empty cells. TEXTJOIN's second argument controls this. Set it to true to skip empty cells, which removes unwanted gaps in your result. Set it to false to include them, which can produce repeated delimiters where cells are blank. Skipping empties is usually best for tidy output. Keep in mind that a cell containing a space is not considered empty, so if you see extra separators, it may be because those cells have stray spaces. Now, select the cells or ranges you want to merge. You can reference a single row or column, like A1C1 or A1A10, or include multiple ranges by listing them one after another. TEXTJOIN will read them in the order you provide, so think about whether you want to go left to right, top to bottom, or combine different areas. If your data changes over time, using a full range like A1, A100 ensures new entries are included automatically. Finally, enter your formula. A common example looks like this. ICOT TEXTJOIN true A1, C1. Here is the delimiter. True tells Google Sheets to ignore blank cells, and A1, C1 is the range being joined. After pressing enter, you'll see a single, neatly formatted line of text. If you want a different separator, replace with your preferred character. If you need to include more ranges, add them after the first range, separated by commas. That's all you need to effectively use TEXTJOIN. With a thoughtful delimiter, smart handling of empty cells, and the right ranges, you can turn scattered values into clean, professional text in seconds.